that as parents, it's not just simple monetary things, it's not having that brand new PS5, it's not having all those things in life. It's about learning where all these outfits come from and all these things come from. So your education value that you're picking up today, you pass that on. And we do the same thing culturally and lineage-wise. I hope you were all doing the same thing. One thing that we like to leave in legacy-wise and talking is that my father has told me a long time ago, don't do to your children what was done to me. Some of our parents grew up in an era where you could not do this. You could not stand on your own homeland and be able to sing and dance and be prosperous that way. You were shunned. And not to promote any negativity in the room that those things that happened, but this is how we work past those things. Because as a young man, I was not able to dance. I do these days. My nephew Lil Hop here has become a drum keeper. In his age, he's grown up these ways and learning these ways of life. So projecting that lineage way and what you guys do with your education, now our kids are all getting to do this at a younger age. And that younger age is a harder fire to put out. Because the more they learn, the more we can connect them. That is part of our mission. So if you look up Wild Horse singers and dancers, that's part of the group that we fall under. We are multiple generations of multiple different tribes and work together to help promote that educational value. The first song we're going to sing is for all you graduates. It's an honor song for you for the years that you put into your education. A lot of you guys, as youngsters, probably looked at it as, I'm not going to go past high school. I don't want to deal with this anymore. But you did, and we thank you for that. Because your base and your foundation is you're going to teach more people that I can succeed at it and I can strive and be successful at it. So you graduates and award winners say, if you'll please rise. We're going to sing an honor song for you guys. And then each one of these dancers is going to perform a little dance out of their style of dance to honor you guys as well. And that's how we'll take care of the presentation this evening. So I thank you for your time. And graduates, this one's for you. Her style of dance, the way she was raised in her style of dance. This is one of 4 styles that she's allowed to dance today. She was brought out in the northern traditional style, jingle dress, fancy shawl, 3 styles. But as a mom, she took a step back in the community to be a mom. So she's come back out to the arena again, back in Long Beach. And it's a joy to see her dance because our daughter one day will embrace those type styles of dance. bring out Rosalia. These are our she's adopted every style of dance. She's working her way through learning all the different styles like her mom did when she was raised up in the arena. We're very proud of her. She's very much embraced. She's very cheerful. She can be sassy, but she's got a good smile. Give me a Death Star, I don't stop. But she comes up to college, she loves to dance and enjoy herself, and she learned the same ways that her mom and our families have been brought up to teach now. And just come out and enjoy yourself and show you a little bit of fancy shawl dance. We're grateful to have her here with us today. Thank you. other traditional dancers, Mr. Chasque Vasquez, and so Junior. These styles of outfits have changed over so many years. The original Omaha dancers that had to wear a bustle, the grass dancers that have worn a bustle, even those of the Southern traditional dancers, Southern straight dancers at one time wore a bustle. Multiple generations of this style of dance come from both sides of the family. Through Chasque's side, on the Lakota side, this young man is an accomplished quilt maker, bead worker. The outfit you see before you is one that he's put his own hand and time and life into. His dad's training and his expertise back there on the sewing machine. All these things that have come together are the same things that we're working on with our son, Junior. Soyan is Junior. So nice to call him by his first name. We're grateful that he's taken on the style of dance just like I did years ago. And the outfit that he's wearing is a generational teaching of the same outfit you see across from him. The older traditional styles with the contemporary style, but also going back to the adornment on his head where you don't see a roach like you see with Chasque. The scout cap that he's wearing was given to him at Cal State Long Beach College last year. He was given the right to put that scout cap on for our Navajo family. So all the teachings that he's learning and he's going through, same as Chasque, as they grow up, they keep those teachings and they keep that knowledge. And when they grow up, my son already says, I think I want 2 kids one day. I'm not sure why we're talking about it. But as they grow up, they have something to pass on. More than just, I used to be a Pat Jack in the Box, so we used to hang out at that movie theater. We dance these outfits as a way of life, not just as a weekend thing or something to perform here, but so they can educate themselves and know where they come from. So they're going to do a sneak up for you this afternoon. It'll be our final song for this afternoon. They'll close everything out, but this is a way of life that we all struggle with some days. We come to this urban environment and we have to adapt, but that's been our lineage for years. We adapt and we overcome. So the strength that you've got through your education, through this drum today, we want to pass it on to you guys and hope you have a great rest of the day and a wonderful time. And thank you for Terry for reaching out to our drum group and our family group to come today, because you guys definitely deserve the right to be celebrated on your accomplishments here today. you guys all have a good evening, the rest of your year, and don't stop learning ever. Thank you.